Mike Love from MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at this 2026 Grady-White Canyon 336. This boat is going to have that beautiful coastal fog blue hull color, and it's going to be powered by triple 350 Yamaha horsepower engines. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Starting on the back of this boat, you have a massive fish box with a freezer plate, storage compartment over here, and this big bench seat that can be popped up for riding out to those long trips to the canyons, or easily folded down to open up the cockpit space for fishing or entertaining. Up on the back of the lean posts, you're going to have double live wells, cutting board in the center for bait prep, built-in storage, and some dedicated plano box storage as well. You got a dive door on the port side for bringing in catch of the day or easy access on and off in the docks. Tons of rocket launchers on the back here and overhead. And then up at the helm, you have 3 across helm seats, all with independent bolsters and armrests. At the head itself, at the helm itself, Grady does leave this blank canvas, so you can pick whatever electronics package fits your needs best. You do have joystick on this, and then we'll have a Seakeeper on this that'll integrate into whatever multifunctional display you select. And you have the bow thruster, sound system, and overhead for radio box and high and dry storage. Take a quick peek at the head on this boat. The nice wide beam on this gives you lots of space underneath. You have a berth to the right. You can comfortably sleep 2 adults for those long fishing weekend trips out to the canyons. And you can fit 6 rods in there designated. You can fold that down to clip those rods in. Moving forward to the bow, 2 large fish boxes on the front, both insulated, both drain overboard. Great seating or entertaining space up here as well with all the cushions on board. These bolsters can be flipped to be padding if you're fishing, or swing them in and make a nice lounger seat in front, as well as a nice seat in the front here. So great entertaining space, lots of room. So again, this is Mike Love here on a Grady-White Canyon 336. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by the store. Thanks, catch you out on the water.